Alright everyone, welcome back to the Fruitymasterz channel. Yeah, today I have a little bonus video or something. I wasn't planning on doing this kind of a tutorial, but guess what? I'm doing it. So right now I'm actually working on the new Serum preset bank, and for me that's kind of new or special because my main synth is pretty much mostly Silent 1. So that's why I was like, alright, perhaps we should try something else. And by creating a preset bank for Serum, I actually learned a lot about it. So I picked out a couple of classic hardstyle tracks or popular hardstyle tracks, perhaps some new ones, and I started recreating them with as little layers as possible and no processing to see how close I could get with the simple sound design. So one of the sounds I wanted to recreate was Code Black, Pandora, the main lead sound, and just for reference, this is the original. And this was my first attempt of recreating the main lead. Yeah, it doesn't sound anything like it, right? So I was like, crap, I was really demotivated and I shut everything down and I was like, how about Netflix, you know? So today I tried again because I really want to have that Code Black Pandora sound in there. Now I am not too familiar with Code Black. I am however familiar with the code Black Friday. It still works until the end of this month. So if you want to grab your discount on both Fruitymasterz and Sawyer products, this is your, well, final chance pretty much. Go to fruitymasterz.com and use the code Black Friday for 40% off. And it's actually really great stuff. Now this bank isn't out yet because I'm still working on it. Now let's go to the new version. Okay, so once again, this is the original. And this is my second attempt of creating the same lead. I think it's really close. It's way closer than my previous attempt and, well, it actually sounds kind of nice. So let me show you how I did that, because it's something else. Now, I'm already getting strike now. Focus on the main lead in the original here. It sounds a bit screechy, right? And you can also hear a little bit of movement. Pew, 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 pew. So that's an envelope on something. It's not a saw. It's not a super saw. It might actually be, well, single voice, just mono. Lots of things happening there. I also hear a little bit of vibrato maybe. Alright, so let's open up a new Serum and let's recreate that main lead. So what I did, I grabbed one of those wavetable modulators, this one right here. Then I set it to re-trigger. In Silent 1 it's just the re-trigger knob, but right here you have to turn off the random phase and the phase to 0 or something. And then if you browse through the wavetable, it's already sort of happening, right? So let's throw an envelope on here. And let's make it move. It's already getting there. So that's basically the main thing. Now, if you distort the living crap out of this, you'll get really close to the sound I just showed you. Let's use diode 1. And that's pretty much what I did, with a lot of tweaking of course. Now, there's some kind of modulator in there. So let's use the noise to modulate the coarse pitch, the CRS right here. So let's turn on the noise. Let's go to the modulation matrix and let's send the noise to oscillator 1, coarse pitch. Now, let's throw this one to, I don't know, somewhere about 10%. And now it messed up the pitch. So let's make sure it goes both up and down. It's actually quite close already. Alright. It might actually be better than the one I made. Oops. Okay. Now, to finish it off, I just did some EQing, give it a little bit of more high. And remove some low. And yeah, of course, some reverb and delay if you want to. Some delay. And now a bit of compression. Alright. Let's do the EQ afterwards. Now there's a lot of attack in the compression. Yeah, and that's pretty much how I finally recreated a sound that sounds like the Gold Black Pandora lead. And the funny thing I learned here is if you just grab one of those wavetables in Serum and then you modulate them with an envelope, you get this moving sound, you get this movement, which makes it less static. That's the first thing I did wrong in the first attempt. And then distorted, you get this, well, screechy sound. I am definitely saving this one. This one is better than the one I made, right? Alright, so let's just play it. Okay. This is how you create a Gold Black Pandora style lead synth. So, I wonder what the title of this video will be, because that's a long title. Thanks for watching. See you again Friday, hopefully.